Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name within your Autotrader account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are within the homepage, if you wish to change your name, click on the user ID at the top right corner once again and click on Profile. Once you are inside the profile page, underneath personal information, just click on Update Information. And now you will be allowed to enter your desired first and your last name. The last name part is optional, so just enter the name that you wish to be called as. After you enter your name, you also have the option to add your zip code as well as phone number, which is also optional. After entering your desired changes, click on the Update Profile button, and now your username will be changed within your Autotrader account right away. And you can once again make any changes in the future by following these same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your Autotrader account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.